If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Hey folks, I'm Adam Cohen, International Sales Manager here at Eagles Nest Outfitters, otherwise known as Eno. I want to invite you to hang up a hammock and relax while I share with you our story and how we ended up here in the beautiful mountains of Western North Carolina. In the summer of 1999, brothers Peter and Paul Penholster decided to permanently escape the traditional workplace and make hanging out their full-time occupation. They wanted a business that would challenge them creatively and encourage others to pursue a laid-back lifestyle. They began as a small operation in Florida, planning to travel the East Coast in a ramshackle minivan and sell hammocks at music festivals and community gatherings along the way. The brothers dedicated their days and nights to making and selling the most comfortable hammocks in the world. In the early years, home was wherever the van was parked that night. In a short time, the boys found themselves with more business they could handle from the van. Weary from life on the road, they eagerly settled down in Asheville, North Carolina, and in 2010, acquired an 18,000 square foot building in the heart of downtown. What was once a two-man, one-van operation is now a thriving, growing company in what National Geographic considers to be one of the best adventure towns in America. Today, Eno continues to supply the best hammocks and accessories to like-minded people across the globe. Eno is represented in more than 12 countries and 1,500 doors nationwide. What began with a hammock and a set of straps has expanded to include backpacking and lifestyle gear for any adventure. With a wide variety of sizes, styles, and colors, you can create a setup unique to you and your next adventure. Eno has transformed the world of hammocks into a line of specialized products that has been developed through experience and travel. As an industry leader, the use of quality materials and thoughtful design are the driving forces behind our business. Even with an ever-expanding product line, we've always stayed true to our roots. This has allowed our customers to enjoy packable and functional gear that can be set up anywhere at any time. In a matter of minutes, you can be sleeping in suspended comfort regardless of the terrain. Whether you purchase a product from our ultra-lightweight line, a warm and comfortable winter camping quilt, or one of our classic double nest hammocks, you can rest easy whether you're in the backyard or the backwoods. Thanks for hanging out for a bit, and we hope to see you hanging in an Eno hammock soon. For more information on who we are and what we do, visit us at enonation.com. From the crew here in Asheville, we look forward to welcoming you to the Eno family.
Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Single Owl and Double Owl Hammock. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with two 8-foot nylon ropes, so you can hang your hammock up without any other equipment. When you first get your hammock, we recommend tying some knots in the ropes so that you can quickly hang your hammock when you're ready to. To set up your hammock, find 2 trees, approximately 11 to 13 feet apart. You're going to wrap the rope around the first tree. Put one end through the loop on the other end of the rope. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to the end of the rope. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can wrap the rope around the tree more than once. Or you can tie another knot in the rope to allow for another connection point. Last option is you can adjust the ropes higher or lower on the tree for an adjustment as well. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. The single owl is great for one person, and the double owl is perfect for 2 people or one person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. If you want more flexibility to be able to use trees that are farther away, or if you don't want to tie any knots, then you can purchase our Wise Owl Talon hammock straps. They're 20 feet long combined and allow for many adjustments. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.